ప్రభుత్వం వాళ్లకు 4 ఎకరాలు కేటాయించడం జరిగింది.
In Warangal district, near Bhadrakali temple, there are about 155 Dalit families living for the last 70 years with legitimate pattas given by the government. There are civic communities in the localities where these houses are built. All the houses have legitimate drinking water supply connections. All the houses have got electricity connections. All the residents, these Dalit families, have got the Aadhaar cards with the same address. They also have the ration cards. They also have the voter identity cards with the same address. And they were allured to vote in favor of the ruling party in the recent elections. In spite of that, in the name of a project, development project, the ruling government is trying to forcibly evict them and grab their lands literally without following the Land Acquisition Act principles or any kind of a due process under the rule of law, which we strongly condemn. Along with our legal cell, a delegation led by our former whip, and ex-MLA Sri Dasyam Vinay Bhaskarji, we have come and then made a representation to the State Human Rights Commission, and Commission has heard very patiently all the violations that have happened in Warangal, and he has assured that he will take appropriate action against the ruling government and give directions to them that the democracy is protected, constitutional rights and human rights are protected, and appropriate action is taken so that the livelihood of these poor people is not affected. What is very ironical in the state of Telangana is they talk of Jai Samvidhan, Jai Bhim all over the country, but when it comes to the context of Telangana, there is no Samvidhan, there is no value for Ambedkar. That is what is essentially happening, which we strongly condemn. Day before yesterday, we have seen what has happened in Lagacharla. The tribal villagers were, attacked. Their lands were forcibly, taken over by the government for the sake of, their family members' pharmaceutical company. Now in Warangal, Dalit families' lands is being acquired without any kind of a due process, which we strongly condemn. There must be a rule of law. The Land Acquisition Act, after all, was brought in by Rahul Gandhi. Now, Rahul Gandhi's law is not implemented by Revanth Reddy in Telangana. What kind of hypocrisy, what kind of a contradiction, we don't understand. Come what may, we stand with all these, Dalit families and ensure that justice is done to them. And first of all, we demand this government, be human. Be human. First of all, you are a human, before you become a ruler. At least restore the drinking water supply right away. Ensure that there is no electricity disconnection. And ensure that whatever the pattas that were given by the erstwhile government has to be respected. If not, I think it is only seen as a draconian law, but not a democratic law. So therefore, we appeal to this government to be democratic, to value and respect the constitution and democracy.